listen, I love winter, but I also like these warm days. So temperatures are starting to fall, and we're already seeing that happen in northern Minnesota here. Look at the 24-hour temperature change. Thief River Falls, Bemidji. Now we're starting to see that cold shot of air come in from Canada. So how this works is when you have these clipper systems pass to your north, it does two things. It warms you up and it cools you down, all within a 12-hour period. And we're going to do that 3 times over the next week. Every time you warm up, it snows. Warm air advection, warm air is how you get lift in the atmosphere, and that's what makes it snow. So here's that cold air. Cold air doesn't necessarily make it snow. That's why it's not going to snow tonight. 19 at International Falls, 20 in Thief River Falls. Listen, we're still at 40, 30 degrees, 39, 41 in Marshall. It is dropping, and here comes the winds. Winds right now, 21, 28. These are sustained. We have wind gusts over 35. So it's going to be a blustery night, and you're going to hear it out there tonight on the windows. It's going to be a little loud. But I want you to look at the wind chill. That's the bottom line here. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, -2. The kids tomorrow morning, you're going to have to bundle them up. I don't think we put our snow pants on our kids the past few days, but that's going to change. All right, Nicole, you're watching, I know. Put the snow pants, get them ready for tomorrow morning. Here is what the setup. Now, the warm air is always underneath it, but the cold air comes straight in from Canada. But remember, cold air advection or cold air doesn't give you snow, or if it does, it gives you flurries. Our next warm-up comes Thursday. Tomorrow is a sunny day. Remember, cold air, sinking air, sunshine, 22. So Thursday is the timing for this, 3 p.m. to noon on Friday. Snow showers, but like I said, it's going to be light with a long duration. The heaviest snow will actually come in at the beginning, and this is going to be Thursday during the afternoon. It looks like that might stay in East Metro over to Wisconsin. But what we'll all get is the backside of this low, and it's just this on and off light snow. It just will slowly add up, and it's going to be the fluffy snow. It's not going to be necessarily wet and heavy. So this is through Thursday night. You see that first shot of snow, that inch or two, East Metro, maybe from Forest Lake over to Menominee. But if you're watching right now in the Wilmer, Glencoe, Marshall, you might miss out on the first round. We'll all get this slow blanket of snow into Friday evening, so maybe 1 or 2. If you're going to see more plowable snow, right now that'd be the darker blue over towards Duluth. We talked about the smackdown, so we warm up Thursday, Friday. That means Saturday is the next day, and it increasingly drops. I mean, this is going to get colder and colder, and Monday looks even colder yet. So -18 degrees here for our wind chills, -25 in Bemidji. That's Saturday. Now, the temperatures are not going to be that low. We'll be at around 11, 13 on Sunday, but it's the wind. Wind is going to be a factor here. Behind these clippers, just like tonight, they're going to be windy, and that's going to drop those wind chills not only Saturday, but once again on Monday. We'll be back.